Welcome to Da Nang, welcome to the winter of Da Nang. It is kinda cold right now. I can't believe it, but it is dry. It is dry, it did not rain, and maybe it rained a little bit, but I have not experienced any rain today. Look at this. I think the Aussie blokes are walking over there. Oh my God, is this Sunshine Bloke? Are we gonna see Sunshine Bloke? Yes, the whole, oh. Yeah, shorts and jackets. The Australian Avengers here. Is it already winter? Huh? Is it already winter?
Yeah.
You gotta become a German and wear some socks to the sandals.
Good to see you. Bloody, that's the old man stuff.
Yeah. How you doing, mate? Hi, John.
Yeah, good. He's doing it.
Bob, hello. How are you? How you doing? All right, then let's do a bloke walk.
We've got to get the fence first.
Yes. And then it's starting to drinking, right? It is hump day. So that means how many beers do we drink today?
Oh, got a big amount to beat yesterday.
Oh?
Did you 5 o'clock this morning?
You drink until 5 o'clock in the morning?
Yeah, this morning, yeah.
How old are you again?
I'll tell you later about that.
Okay. How old are you again, Sunshine Bloke?
Yeah, just turned young 66.
66?
Clickety click.
He's going out more than I do. And Marcus together. Now we're getting some cash out here. All right, guys, we just saw how they refilled the ATM here. Very interesting. All right, guys, let's continue. We're walking here now, and then we're gonna go to the left. This year also, it's not new, I think, but they totally rebuilt it, and it's more space right now. And I'm not sure what this will be here. Now they have a sign on it. Maybe it's a business now.
Sammy.
Hello.
Hi, Sammy.
Is it you, Wally? Yeah. No, now on my way. On my way.
Finally.
How you doing? Where's the skateboard? Oh, there. Hello, how are you? Hi.
My friend.
Hi. Sammy, nice to meet you. Okay, now show me your... Huh? No, I have to go.
Okay.
I have to go to meet Marcus. This is your skateboard.
Yeah.
My God, finally I meet you, man. And I have it on camera. You're shy? Well, you're commenting always on my videos.
You got Cam on there too.
I gotta film him. Don't bite me.
Đừng để dưới này, chạy lên đây đi.
Yeah. She's excited to see me.
Sammy.
Huh? Can't believe it. Finally I'm meeting Wally. Shout out to Wally. He always commented, and we almost met each other all the time. But now we did it. And it happened on the video. Can't believe it. I mean, it has to happen. I'm walking all around. It's hard to miss me, to be honest. Unless I'm super busy at home and editing other videos and things like that. I'm usually on the streets. Oh, look at this. The basement. The foundation is done. So locals walking and driving around with jackets right now. And us Germans, we still have rocking our shorts. We still have shorts on. I think I will never change shorts here. Maybe I should buy... I actually bought some long pants last winter because it was so cold. Look at this, that looks cool. Electric bike. Electric motorbike. And we have the Embassy Irish Sports Bar here and pavement score got messed up right now. I'm wondering if this is a private home only or if they rent it out too. I'm not sure. But it looks like it's just a huge private mansion for someone who's just coming few days of the year to Da Nang. Pizza. They have pizza here as well as chicken. Yeah, so something went wrong with my microphone. I hope in this video it will be good. We're gonna meet Marcus right now. Maybe I should turn on my night mode already. It feels empty at the moment. The whole neighborhood feels empty. Lots of seating all the way available. In my coffee shop, there was a lot of seating today. Oh, there's Marcus. Marcus!
Hello.
Hello!
What's up, man?
Do we need the night mode red?
No, I don't know. Is it working? I don't know.
I think it's good. You just don't see it, right?
No,
Yeah,
no,
you
I
see
see
it.
it.
Okay,
I see
okay.
it. But I think we need a. No, I don't think we need a.
All right. Let's walk here and show all the updates on these new apartments here. So I had another bagel today here. It was good. I saw Julian walking by.
Julian.
Yeah. And I saw I just now met Sunshine Bloke David.
Oh,
They're all
is he
on
doing
the.
well?
He's doing well. He went out until 5 a.m. yesterday.
oh, okay, so he's
Mad man.
back on track.
He's back on track. Yeah. When did you go to bed?
Something around 11,
11. Yeah.
I think, yeah. Because right now it's a lot of work.
Yeah. I usually I sleep at 12.
It's too late now.
I cannot even imagine staying up until 5. This is crazy.
And how old is David?
66.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
I'm 46. He's 20 years older.
Yeah.
But he's partying on.
I don't know how to do this. I want to do it on Saturday. Maybe we'll go out on Saturday.
That would be great.
We're gonna do a live stream on Saturday anyway, so
So it's then
I think it's
the
time
battle
again.
of the Titans.
Okay.
Almost done.
Almost done.
Oh, look at this. They're already installing
I
the.
think they're building now the interior.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure what's happening downstairs then. If it really is gonna become a local beans or another coffee shop. And I wanna try this place one time.
It's Korean.
Korean Chinese. Huh.
Never been there, to be honest.
Dynamite Naoki. You know who I met?
No.
Wally, finally.
Oh, really?
With his skateboard, yeah. In front of my rocket fuel coffee.
But for how long? He's here for what? 2 weeks?
I don't know.
now?
Yeah,
3 weeks?
probably a month, and I haven't seen him. But now I finally did, and it was on camera. Finally, I said I cannot meet him just like that. It has to be natural and on camera, and we did it. So those are the. Look at this, Evo Grand Light. So does that mean this is a bigger one than the usual? So this is Evo Grand Light. Hello. Is this bigger than the 200 lights?
I think it's the same. Same. Look at this.
You think?
It's just no license needed. It looks like this one.
No, but the Evo Grand Light.
But this looks like the Evo Grand.
I know, but so this is Evo Grand Light. Then this here somewhere. This is the Feliz light. And then there's a 200 light, but the 200 light is too small. Oh. So I'm wondering, hey, how you doing?
Is this a big one?
Is this bigger than the 200 light?
I mean,
Or is it just
size?
the size?
Yeah, the size. But the engine is the same because we keep it
Exactly.
no license.
Yes,
No
yes,
license.
yes. Oh, interesting. And then Do you think the Phillies light is bigger than this one?
That will accelerate faster.
It accelerates faster.
Yeah, but it's the same speed.
Okay. But like from the size, like for me, I'm a big man.
Yeah,
what
maybe you
what
should
would
get this
what
one.
would like see? What does look better? A big one.
That one.
The Phillies, huh?
Yeah, Phillies.
Okay, guys. So I always had a huge issue with the 200 light because it was too small for me. But now I think maybe one of those we can try out. Interesting. It looks like a full-size motorbike.
But also look at this. They have big motorbike.
Yeah, but this is a ADV. Yeah, that's of course normal size, big. But what is really interesting, because for those ones you don't need a license, driver license. Nice.
For this one you need, right?
Yes,
Okay.
you need a proper one. Interesting. Okay, guys, I tried it out, but I'm a little bit too big for that. Maybe I'm just too big in general. But even if I would lose weight, my legs I cannot shorten. So my legs are a little bit in the way of the steering wheel. So yeah, it is what it is. I think I still have to do my normal driver license and get a big bike. It is what it is. There's only one bike that fits, and the smallest is the Lexi, Yamaha Lexi. Shout out to David who has it. But yeah, this is the smallest I can drive. But maybe I will just get an X Max or a T Max, just a real big baller thing. If I get a motorbike. The thing is, I walk around anyway, so it doesn't always make sense. But I'm also gonna try out a total different electric motorbike, and it will be very interesting. So stay tuned, guys. I will definitely make a one motor vlog with that. Maybe driving around streets I've never been, a little bit further away. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here, and see you in the next vlog. And let me know, is the sound now better than before?